Hello everyone, welcome to Butterfly to Fields YouTube channel. You are watching the Tinkle series. In this video, we are going to make a toy which I will call the climbing creeper. For that you will need these materials. You will need 2 straws which you can get in the common box containing other straws. Then you will need a foam piece which I have taken from the Tower of Hanoi and Hovercraft box titled How Stuff Works. So you can take other pieces also, that's up to you, right? So again we need thread which you will get from this common box, and you will need double-sided tapes which you can get in the small common box. So let's get started. So the first step in this is to attach the straws onto this piece. Now here I have taken these straws, but you have many other options, right? There are straws with different thickness and also different diameter. So how you can choose straw is that the straw which you are taking should be a little bit larger in size than the piece which you are using, right? If you are using a larger foam piece, you can take larger straws, right? So for my particular toy, I'll be choosing these straws. Now how to fix the straw here is that you have to fix it such a way that both the straws are at certain angles to each other, right? So we will do this using the double-sided tape. Now I have taken this square double-sided tape. I will cut it into 2 rectangles so that I will get 2 long pieces. So onto this I will stick them such that I will be able to stick the straw at an angle. Alright. So one double-sided tape I have stuck here. I'll remove the top part and I'll stick the straw like this. Then the other one like this at a certain angle. Now on the other side I have stuck a picture of Scar here, but you can draw your own characters. Maybe you can draw a lizard, a dinosaur, or a spider, rocket, plane, anything, right? So it's up to you. So I have stuck this thing onto the foam piece. So now we have to insert thread into the straws. So you have to take very long piece of thread. So here I have taken a very long piece of thread. So the longer is the thread, the more fun you can have, right? So with this thread, what you have to do is, into the straws, from one end you have to insert the thread into one straw. Now when the thread comes out of the other end, you have to insert this into the other straw. So now, so at the top it will look like this. So at the other end, just make sure that both ends of the thread are of same length, right? Now here, pull this out little bit, and this end you have to put this on any door handle or cupboard handle. So now let's go and play with it. So one end I have fixed onto this door handle. Now the other 2 ends are in my hands, right? So let's bring this down. Now we have to send this climbing creeper up. For that you have to pull onto these strings. So when you pull onto the strings, you can see that the piece is going up. Again, to bring it back, just keep the threads down and it will come back because of gravity. Now again, to push it up, you just have to pull on to the threads. Now why this is going up? That's because of the friction between the straws and the thread. So when you are pulling the thread to one side, friction acts in the opposite direction. So when you are pulling both the ends of the threads, the friction is making it go up. So now you can change the length of the thread, you can change the types of thread, maybe use a cotton thread, nylon thread, and find out in which does the climber move up very fast. Also experiment with the angles at which the straws have been kept. So here I have kept them in this angle, right? They are near here and far here. So try keeping them parallelly and see if the climber works. Then you can also use another EVA pieces, not only EVA pieces, you can use another objects and you can make your own climbers. So you can tinker and have fun. Thank you.